subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Logitech has launched the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds alongside their Zone wired headsets. The two models come with a comfortable experience and integrated microphones. Among them, the wireless model can be connected through Bluetooth, or through a wireless USB dongle. On the other hand, the wired model can be connected via a 3.5mm audio jack, USB-A, and USB-C. Logitech disclosed that the Zone True Wireless Earbuds upgrade video calls with the user's favorite shape and fit, and combine the powerful audio required by professionals. Zone True Wireless is equipped with high-quality noise-cancelling microphones and active noise-cancelling functions. It can provide transparent and clear audio regardless of the surrounding environment. Coupled with a simple and modern design, their stylish appearance and high-quality video sound help users to immerse themselves in it. Logitech also said, through Bluetooth or USB receiver, Zone True Wireless can provide a reliable connection between your smartphone and PC, allowing users to effortlessly join video conferencing and telephone conversations. Logitech Zone True Wireless and Zone Wired earbuds will be available in the fall of 2021. The wireless model will be priced at $299 and comes in two colors, black and pink. The price of the wired model is much more affordable because it will only sell for $99. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, and like and share the video. Thank you.